Hey there everyone! Today we are excited to share something really cool that can make your hair look fabulous in just 15 minutes.
Chapter 1. What is activated charcoal? So what exactly is activated charcoal? Think of it as a super sponge for your hair. It's made from things like wood or coconut shells that are heated up really hot. This process makes it great at soaking up dirt and oil.
Chapter 2. More volume achieving fuller, bouncier hair. Now let's talk about volume. When we say more volume, we mean that lovely fullness and bounce that makes your hair look healthy and vibrant. A lot of times, hair can seem flat or lifeless because of product buildup and extra oils.
How charcoal helps create volume.
1. Deep cleansing. Over time, our hair can collect dirt, oil, and residue from all those products we use. Activated charcoal acts like a magnet, pulling out these impurities. Once we remove that buildup, our hair feels lighter and looks way more vibrant.
2. Lift at the roots. With less weight from all that gunk, your hair can stand up more at the roots. This gives you that fuller look we all want. It's amazing how just a little lift can make such a big difference.
3. Enhanced movement. Clean hair has better movement and bounce. So when you toss your head or style your hair, it'll look lively and full of energy instead of flat and limp.
Additional benefits of charcoal for your hair. But wait, there's more. Activated charcoal has some other fantastic benefits too.
Supports hair growth. By clearing out hair follicles and improving blood flow to your scalp, charcoal helps create a healthier space for your hair to grow.
Dandruff relief. It absorbs excess oil on your scalp, which can help reduce itchiness and discomfort. Definitely a game changer for anyone dealing with dandruff.
And easier to style. With softer, more manageable hair, styling becomes a breeze.
Color protection charcoal can help remove impurities that might dull your color-treated hair, keeping it looking vibrant.
Chapter 3. Make your own charcoal hair mask. Making a charcoal mask at home is super simple and fun. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of activated charcoal powder, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, a little water.
How to make it. 1. In a bowl. Mix all the ingredients together until everything is well combined. 2. Apply the mixture to your dry hair, focusing on your scalp. 3. Cover your hair with a shower cap to keep the mask in place. 4. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. 5. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, then follow up with your favorite shampoo.
Chapter 4. Good charcoal mask to buy. If making your own mask isn't your thing, no worries. Here are some great options you can buy. 1. Coty Deep Charcoal Cleanse Hair Mask. 2. Raw Sugar Pure Scalp Therapy Tree Inner Sense Detox Mask. These masks are awesome for cleansing and adding shine to your hair.
Chapter 5. Give it a try. Why not give charcoal a shot? It could really make your hair look amazing.
Just remember to do a patch test first to make sure it works for you. That's all for today. Enjoy experimenting with charcoal for beautiful hair.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself and let me know what you think.
Want more hair care tips? Subscribe and hit that notification bell for weekly beauty hacks.
See you next time. Until then, stay gorgeous.